welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how to use the Polytune clip-on chromatic guitar tuner and share some of my thoughts along the way. Included in the box is a tuner, a battery, warranty and instructions. Open up the back of the tuner and insert the CR2032 button battery. Clip the tuner to the end of your guitar. The rubber padded clamp is pretty tight, so you might want to take it off after tuning just in case it leaves marks on your guitar. I would have preferred that the end of the tuner had a swivel, but it's not a deal breaker. To turn on, click in the button at the top of the tuner. The first tuning mode when turning on is chromatic mode, where you can tune to any note in the chromatic scale. So if you like to use alternate tunings, this is perfect. I'll be tuning to the standard key of E by plucking each string separately. So just line up the pin to the middle until you hit green and you're in tune. If you strum all the strings at once, polyphonic mode will automatically activate and detect all the strings at the same time. Here you can also tune up and down and focus more on your pitch. To tune the guitar using strobe mode, click the left bottom button closest to you. The strobe will stop moving once the string is in tune. It depends on what you prefer, but I find that this mode takes a lot longer when tuning. To use a tuning mode, click in the right bottom button. Here you can choose a tuning mode, for example E, E flat, D, D flat, C and B. You can also select tunings for different capo positions on the neck, though I do find this part of the tuner's display very hard to read. To adjust the pitch, click the left and right bottom buttons simultaneously and click either left or right to select. The default pitch is set at 440 Hz. To save the pitch you want, don't click anything for 2 seconds and it will store automatically. This tuner is very accurate and overall I'm happy with it, though I do think it's a little expensive and may not be for everyone. The clarity of the display in some of the settings I mentioned could also be improved. I'll leave some links on where you can find this tuner and read up on other customer reviews. Consider liking and subscribing for more product reviews and how-to videos. And until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy tuning.